Alright, hi everyone. I think we are live. It's good. Let me just double check everything. If you're joining this like out of YouTube suggestions and it's already later, I'll probably have like the video of this already live uploaded. So then you have like a shorter version of what I'm basically gonna be doing here. But if you still want to watch it this way, completely fine, of course. More than welcome. Yeah, if you just want to watch this live, then that's perfectly fine as well. One sec, let me just check. Shouldn't have put a Mentos in my mouth right before streaming. But oh well, you live and you learn, huh? Alright, so let's go over the pairs I'm potentially interested in. Let's look for them because I haven't really looked for it yet. I'm 100% interested in this one, in USD CHF. I don't like that the weekly is bullish and it touched the 50 EMA. If the weekly can turn bearish as well, it would be nice. That's what I said last week. Let's just draw the line, shall we? So the weekly is bullish. Higher low. Alright, I'll never do that again. The Mentos. Look at the daily. I think the daily just turned bearish. Let's go from here. Oh, I should just do this. My bad. It's better looking, I think. Higher low. Let's see on the daily what's up. I think the daily turned bearish. Let's see, because this was the highest high, making this the higher low before, and it broke under, making, well, at first you would say probably this, the higher low, and then this the higher high, but then it broke under again, or actually it broke above but then it broke under again. So for simplicity, I think this is right now the situation, making the daily lower high here and the daily lower low on this area. So the daily is still bearish, the weekly is bullish, and let's see what the 4 hour is saying. I think the 4 hour just turned bearish as well. Let's just draw the lines real fast. Alright, so from this point it was still bullish, like this was here it turned bullish again, like this, the lower or the higher low, this the higher high. Then as soon as it broke under here, it turned bearish, so this is the new lower low, and this is the, maybe this is, I think this is, it's not really at the key area though. I think you do consider it a low. Yeah. All right. Lower high and 4 hour lower low. So it just tested basically the lower high, and it's failed. So next week is going to be interesting because I'm anticipating for it to, well, what I already drawed up, for it to go back to the area of interest, like retest this neckline of the head and shoulders as well. So it's like a big area of interest. Touches, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4, like multiple touches. Pretty clean area of interest. So what I'm gonna do, let's just remove this one because, well, I'm not sure it's nice to have it if it's actually end up happening, but let's just, for making the chart look a little bit cleaner, let's just go for this. This is my anticipation, what I think will happen. But if you consider this the lower high on the 4 hour, then it would mean it would turn bullish. So I'm not really sure how I feel about that. Like if we count this as the lower high, then we have a little bit more margin and it can actually like test here and would still not be considered like bullish on the 4 hour because we want 2 time frames in sync. So right now we have the daily and the 4 hour bearish. So if you want to take a sell, preferably it would be nice if the 4 hour and the daily are both bearish. So like I don't really see any structure here. So there's some here. Let's just do a quick check, see if it's an area. I think it is or might be, or this is a hard one because I don't know if I want to consider this lower high or this the lower high. Like AlexG talks about like the snake trick, and yeah, to be honest, it isn't fully, you can really fully make the hook. So I think also for like the analysis sake and the trade sake, can this go away? I think I'll put the lower high here because this is the most I don't know, clean one as well. So we can create a lower high on the 4 hour before we're making a new lower low, just around the area of interest. So I'll put an alarm around here, and from that point on I'm going to be interested in the trade, similar to this one, but more like, also it would test the 4 hour EMA, which would be great. So this could be a really nice trade like this. Let's see what the next area is where we would aim for. Let's just remove this. Okay. What would the next area be? What we would be targeting for the what's it called? For the take profit. Also, let me check if the Fibonacci is actually, like, if there's anything happening on the Fibonacci. Oh, you need to take the wicks, right? As well. We are like right at the 0.5, but like it's nice to have like the overview of if it's bullish, bearish, whatever, but it does make the chart look a little bit busy. So I don't know, like maybe I can make them a little bit less sort of visible. Like this. I don't know if that's good. I need to consider how I wanna do this. Like maybe I can sort of hide it, or like hide or something. Come back, now I can't find you. I was hoping I could maybe like hide only the bar, but I'm just checking the analytics. One sec. Alright. So yeah, this probably, well, this is the first one I've analyzed, so it's my top pair at the moment. Surprise, shocker. So yeah, I'll probably get rid of the lines, but not yet. Like I'm gonna first make the YouTube video about it as well, and then after that I remove the lines. Okay, so what's happening here? Everything is bullish, I assume. The weekly has turned bullish. Yes, okay. Weekly is now also bullish, so every time frame is bullish. So now we just I would be happy to jump in like right around here, but let's first take a closer look. Higher low, bullish. Let's see how the daily is looking, if it created any sort of structure. Well, the daily is actually also over here. considering it's yeah. I don't know if you should already put it up there, but I'll put it up there for now. Maybe this higher low is actually a little bit lower. This is a weird one, like it's super flat. Like, is this a low? I don't know. Hard to say. I don't really think so. I think we could just consider the daily higher low also over here. Alright. So in the 4 hour higher high, it's got a new higher high as well. And then this would be the higher low, the new higher low. So what do we want out of this pair? It is like super bullish right now. Strong buy, like on the indicator as well. I know that I sit like this a lot, and I don't think the camera is like well set up for that. Maybe I should just sit different, or I should adjust the camera, but who knows. Yeah, I'm gonna adjust the camera. Transform. Alright. I think I use like this side of the screen a lot, so take a little bit off there. I think this is a little bit better. What did I just do? Alright, okay. So it looks okay. Alright. So what do we want with this pair? Probably like this area. It's also way too far back, but I know, because if you like, ideally it tests like a strong area of interest, but it would make the 4 hour bearish. So either like this with like a big wick where it closes above, that would be interesting. So still having the 4 hour bullish, or otherwise the 4 hour can go bearish and then maybe a shift of structure in there. think we should just neglect the 4 hour here. Just look for like a retest over here. You also have the round psychological number. Did it just try to test like the 2? Like almost. It got so close to 2. I think it will actually like drop after because like the huge round psychological number. Here it did go over. Yeah, this is like not even close to being my favorite pair, so I'll put that down for now. What? Oh, this is the pair where I lost my most money last week, so this one kind of hurts. Well, the daily turned bullish. Like on this pair, I might just be interested in like if it reached this point again and like it creates a new, like it gives signs that want to go down, I'm always up for like a low risk sort of trade, but because there's a high chance that it will go down, right? That it will get some more breathing room to go further to the upside, but yeah, it's not ideal. Let's put the daily here. High low. Four hours like this. Okay, so what do we want? I think a retest of this should be a nice little buy right now, because it can create a higher low on the 4 hour as well without making it bearish within the area of interest, so like this. Because I think the overall trend, and we'll also test a 4 hour 50 EMA, which will be good. Potentially also around psychological number, so that's also good. Yeah, this one could be really nice. Higher low on the 4 hour. Let's give arrow of interest with 50. Alright, this seems good. It would make the lower time frames bearish, but they can always like do something like this would be great. We shall see. I'll actually leave it there just for my video. So yeah, this one is interesting for sure. It went from my like biggest sale, sort of my biggest, yeah, biggest selling pair to now I'm gonna be buying it the next week. Alright, this should be good. What would the profit target be? Around here, very simple. Yeah, very clean potential trade. Thinks this should be good. All right. What actually happened with like the dollar? Oh, it happened. What I expected pretty much happened, but it went a little bit under my alarm. And also it didn't go as low as I expected it to go just yet. But overall, no, I'm not really right and I'm not really wrong, I guess. So what's going on here? Where's the daily? Daily actually turned bearish. Weekly is still bullish and the 4-hour must be bearish. Alright, so overall we're bearish, and yeah, so we're looking for buys against the dollar ideally, but we shall see. Everything bullish here. Really, those lines and stuff, they're really, I don't know. I need to get rid of them, but I wanna like keep them for video. Wait, this is the daily higher. Oh, this old. Okay. Wait, I just noticed something. This is crazy. 0.618. Really, it's perfect support here. And the 0.382 was like resistance here. Damn. I need to use the Fibonacci tool a little bit more. I feel like. So yeah. First impressions. This would be nice. Around psychological level as well. well, around it. All right. Not really a big area of interest, to be honest. Well, I have one, pretty much two, three. I think you could consider this an area of interest, like this. I would definitely be down to buy this. Also, the last 4-hour signal of candlestick gives really big sign that it wants to go down. So yeah, this one is good. Hmm. Oh my god. God, so weird. Alright. Keep focus. Keep focus. I might just throw this video, like the video of these pairs, like online tomorrow, because otherwise I have like 2 videos on the same day, or actually like 3, because this live stream will also count as one, so that's a little bit overkill maybe. So yeah, this kind of happened and I didn't take advantage, so that's great to see. Actually, I've been selling, which is nice. Oh, like why? Like what is my trade, like what is my trading like turned into with this? I'm at an area of interest. Every time frame is bullish, and I decide to sell. Like, man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. From now on, no more of that shit. Like, I'm taking this serious again. Like, I'm not gonna fuck this up. All right. So, what we're gonna be looking for? Like, what's the higher low on the 4-hour? I think you could consider this. Okay, so yeah, the 4 hour would turn bearish, but it is what it is. I also see it like retracing around here because of the EMAs and the 4 hour not being bearish then. And if the if the 50 EMA also catches up on the daily, I don't know, like it could potentially just retrace from here. Like it's not a big zone, but this is the stronger zone, but like either this will happen or this will happen. Yeah. Yeah, simple, looking for a like higher low, again and higher low. I really don't want to miss like this sort of trade, so I'm gonna put the alarm a little bit higher. It's at around the psychological level as well. This is great. Should I like note this? Okay. Okay. Let's just see what happens. Definitely interested. I think it will be ready by, I think maybe next week, like not even this week, to be honest. I see this one potentially being ready by Wednesday, like 1, 2, week 3, like this, because the weekly should close bullish. Right. Okay, so that's a nice pair. Wait, did I put the alarm? No. daily turned bearish, 4-hour turned bearish, and the weekly was already bearish. So all right, that's fair. Good. What's this? So it's supposed to be the weekly. Yeah, that's the weekly. Why is it on the right? All right. It's so fucking busy right now. Okay. Bro. All these lines are driving me crazy. All right, 4-hour. Is bearish, obviously, as well. So this is lower high. This is the lower low. Weekly lower low. Weekly lower high, and this is the 4-hour lower high. Did make it. Side note, the new weekly low made it much easier for a yeah, basically another test of the area of interest, and I would be interested. All right. I did look at it, so I just put it here. Oh. think I'm just gonna call it a day for this stream. I'm feeling a little bit tired, but I'm gonna fix the what's it called, like my top pairs video for like tomorrow. So I'm gonna record that right now, and I'm gonna schedule it for later on tomorrow. Hopefully we haven't missed like one of the trades yet, but yeah, otherwise it would be a little bit overkill on my YouTube channel. So yeah, if you're still here, thank you for watching, and yeah, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, whatever, all the good stuff. And yeah, I'm just a little bit tired. I don't know what's going on, a little bit of headache and stuff. So a little bit low energy. So alright, thank you so much, and